All right, in case you need to see these done out, I'm gonna do them pretty fast, but you can see what you did wrong. 2 times 5 is 10. We know automatically the factors are 2 and 5, which are both prime. All your legs are prime. So put it under the radical. There's no pairs. So just multiply it back out, and root 10 is your answer. For the second one, you have root 12 times root 4. Multiply them together, you get the square root of 48. And you know this breaks down to 12 and 4. 12 goes to 2 and 6. 2 is prime. 6 goes to 2 and 3. You could have also used 3 and 4 for this one. And you still would have gotten a 2, 2, and 3 at the bottom. 4 breaks down to 2 and 2. Don't forget to break this 4 down because it's not prime. List your numbers under the radical. There's one more. Circle your pairs. Cross a pair off, 1 comes out. Cross the other pair off, 1 comes out. 2 times 2 is 4. What's left underneath? 3. If you got this one wrong, at this point when you have all circles, your numbers should be the same. So there should be 4 2s and 1 3. If you don't have 4 2s and 1 3, then your multiplication is off. All right, the third one was root 6 times root 10. Multiply those together and you get 60. Automatically, you know 6 and 10 are your factors. They are not prime. So this breaks down to 2 and 3. You cannot write the numbers under your radical yet because 10 is not circled. It's not prime, which means you could break it down. It goes to 2 and 5. So now you have all circles. 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Circle your pairs, cross it off, 1 comes out. 2's on the outside. 3 times 5 is 15, so 15 is on your inside. Next up we have root 5 times root 15. 5 times 15 is 75. So we know we can use 5 and 15. It's also nice because 5 is prime. However, we cannot write it under a radical yet because not all of our legs have circles, so that needs to be broken down. What times what is 15? 3 times 5, which are both prime. Write from small to big. Circle your pairs, which have to be the same number. Cross it off. 1 comes out, so you're left with 5 root 3. I definitely changed the last 2 numbers at the end of the last video, and I don't have it written down, but just know whatever the radicals were, the answer was just the number that was under the radical. So if it was, wow, that's bad, I can't remember. If it was the square root of 144 squared, your answer is just 144.